In today's digital age, a strong online presence is essential for businesses looking to thrive. However, the world of digital marketing can be overwhelming with its ever-evolving strategies and platforms. Mark Digital Media, your trusted partner in digital marketing, is here to guide you on how to make the most out of your digital marketing efforts. 1. Define your goals. The first step in any successful digital marketing campaign is defining clear and measurable goals. What do you want to achieve? Increased website traffic, higher conversion rates, or brand awareness? Setting specific objectives will help you tailor your strategies accordingly. 2. Understand your audience. Your target audience is at the heart of your digital marketing strategy. Conduct thorough research to understand their preferences, pain points, and online behavior. This insight will allow you to create content and campaigns that resonate with your audience. 3. Optimize your website. Your website is your digital storefront, and it must be user-friendly and visually appealing. Ensure fast loading times, mobile responsiveness, and easy navigation. Implement SEO best practices to improve your site's search engine ranking. 4. Create high-quality content. Content is king in the digital marketing world. Regularly publish valuable, relevant, and engaging content that addresses your audience's needs. Whether it's blog posts, videos, or infographics, quality content establishes your authority and attracts organic traffic. 5. Embrace social media. Social media platforms offer a powerful way to connect with your audience. Choose the platforms where your audience is most active and engage with them regularly. Share your content, respond to comments, and run targeted ads to expand your reach. 6. Invest in paid advertising. While organic efforts are valuable, paid advertising can give your digital marketing a boost. Platforms like Google Ads and Facebook Ads allow you to target specific demographics and reach a broader audience. 7. Monitor and analyze. Regularly track the performance of your digital marketing campaigns. Analyze data, including website traffic, conversion rates, and social media engagement. Adjust your strategies based on these insights to maximize results. 8. Stay updated. The digital landscape is dynamic, with trends and technologies constantly evolving. Stay updated with the latest developments in digital marketing and be ready to adapt your strategies to stay ahead of the competition. Conclusion. Elevate your digital presence with these strategies and Mark Digital Media. By your side, you can unlock the full potential of digital marketing for your business. Remember, success in the digital realm takes time and dedication, but the rewards in increased brand visibility and business growth are well worth the effort.